Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. It has been a long day for me. I've just kind of been really busy, but I'm home now and I'm getting ready to relax. But I cannot relax just yet because it is now the second day since Artemis got home, and so means it is time for her second shot. So I'm going to I've gotten everything already ready. I've gotten the stuff in the needles and everything. She's ready to go. I had actually ended up pulling Artemis out of her enclosure and putting her back into the tub that I took her to the vet in, because I felt like it would be easier for me to control the situation while I'm trying to give her this shot. I mean, I could ask my roommates for help, but they're not 100% comfortable with snakes. And I just also feel like confident enough that I could just do this by myself, so I wasn't really worried about it. Artemis is a really good girl. She took that shot like a champ. I've seen her reaction to it, so I felt like I was okay to do this by myself. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, and what the doctor told me to do. So, all right, let's get to it. So we are here, and I have gotten Artie here, and I'm going to get ready to give her shot. And you cannot really see it, but essentially what's going to happen is I'm going to be giving her shot in the first third of her body. So I'm going to be aiming about like right here, to give her shot, just because we don't want her liver to process things too fast. So we're putting it right up here in the top third of her body, and I'm going to just go ahead and do what it is they told me to do in the vet, and go like this, down, under scale, in, and I gotta keep it at an angle. I just put it in, just like so. They told me to hold it a little bit to make sure that it like stays in, because they, constrict. We want to make sure that it's gonna be in there. So, all right, I think that's good, and that's it. That's it. There you go. Good job. Good job. I know you did not like that. I would not have liked that either. But we gotta do it. Had to do it. So, there you guys go. Have it. So we have finished the shot. That was the first time I have personally given Artemis her shot. And I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on the process. And it's just a very short video to show you the shot. And I'll probably show you the other ones as I do them. Just short little videos so that you guys can see what that looks like and see how my own personal snake accepts the shots. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're actually having to give injections to your own snakes to fight an infection, you have a general idea what it looks like. There are better videos out there with better, like, angles to show you what to do, but and people who are better talking about it. And hopefully the next time I actually do a video, I'll be able to talk more about exactly what I'm doing. I feel like I did touch on most of it, but I don't know. I couldn't really focus on my words as well as making sure that I was doing everything correctly, and paying attention to Artemis's body language and making sure that she was okay. So, but anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for keeping Artemis in your thoughts and your prayers. And you guys keep taking care of yourselves. I love your reptiles, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herps.